Hey folks, Jay here from the Volo Auto Museum. I've got a really fantastic Mustang for sale today that I'd love to show you. Interesting story. I bought the car down in Kentucky. The car was sold new in Louisville. That's where I bought it. The car lived in Louisville all of its life. A gentleman that bought it in 1972 and owned it a few years, located the car, bought it back. He's the guy who did a rotisserie restoration on this car. It's got 5,000 miles on it since they did the complete car top to bottom. Go to volocars.com. You'll get all the specs, the pricing. You'll see a whole bunch of pictures. You got to look underneath this car. It's completely done. Okay, so let's take it for a spin. This here is the Marti Report. This comes right from Ford's microfilm. It gives all the information, the dealer that it was sold new to in Louisville. But what's really cool, this is one of 98 made in this color. I just assumed somebody painted it grabber blue. They made 98 grabber blue convertibles with black interior. This is one of them, and it's documented. This is also a factory 4-speed car, which is really rare. Production numbers are on here, but they didn't make many convertibles as a top loader wide ratio 4-speed. Anyway, I mean, look at it. It's just stunning, slick. The body and paint is incredible. Right here, this is all custom. This is a Shelby dovetail with the quarter extensions. So that's a cool, unique feature. Of course, the wheels, they're the Magnum 500, but they're billet aluminum, 16-inch, blue that matches the car, radial red line tires. Everything's new. The marker lights, the door handles, sport mirrors, all the stainless trim. The windshield's new. It's all new smoked glass. Not peel on tint, but actual smoked glass. It's all new. All the weather strips are new. Really cool. These are airbrushed on under the clear. You don't feel them. They did a really nice job with that. This is awesome. Hood tachometer, stripe, shaker hood, hood pins. Love a shaker hood. All new. The grill, the emblem, the bumper has a spoiler. All new. There's disc brakes. It's a Willwood 4-wheel disc brake system. Drilled and slotted rotors at each wheel. Has all new emergency brake system. Has a Shelby roll bar. The jambs are painted as slick as the car. Perfectly clean metal, new latches. Listen how they close. Shuts like a new car. Again, beautiful. Look at the sill plates are shiny. Black convertible top, has the 2-piece glass window. I just threw this boot on. It's not snapped on all the way. Trunk just lifts open. It has a prop rod. It's a little extra heavy with this extra stuff on here. But look how beautiful it is. Inside the trunk is clean. It's got a nice mat. Yeah, the jambs are just slick as can be. All new cushions in the seat, which makes them feel new. It makes the upholstery fit great. He says he had all this done in leather, so this is the same pattern as the original, but he didn't just buy this out of a catalog. Front and back seats are leather upholstery. They look stock. All new inside. I'm running out of breath. There's so much to say about this car. The armrests, the window cranks, the door panels, the carpeting, the dash pad, all new. The visors, the mirror. The instrument bezels, the chrome around each gauge is sparkling. Has a real nice leather-wrapped custom steering wheel. It's got a stock radio. Interior lights work. Has new seat belts with the Mustang on the chrome buckles. Pony floor mats, custom pedals. So, great stuff. I guess I'll start it up. You probably want to hear it run. Then I'm going to open the hood, which I haven't done yet. It's gorgeous under there. And like I said, go to the website, volocars.com. Look underneath. It's got welded-in tubular frame connectors. And it's everything underneath the car is new. Every clip, every bolt. That's got a 351 big block Cleveland motor. Been worked on a little bit, as you can tell. Got a Ford 9-inch rear end. The wiper arms are new. Everything under here, every nut and bolt, the washer bottle, the alternator. It's got Edelbrock aluminum intake and water pump, Edelbrock carb, some really nice finned aluminum valve covers. Up here the horns are new. It's got sport lights behind the grill. The latch is new. Has a polished aluminum radiator with electric fan. It's got billet pulleys. It's got a Monte Carlo bar. Just really nice. Everything under there is new. All the metal's clean. Again, gloss paint. There's chrome bolts all over the motor. Everything's chrome. Looks like all the lights are working. I'm wearing the microphone. I just want to give you a chance to hear what this sounds like. Tail lights are new. Gas cap's new. Got really nice oval exhaust tips coming right out through the valance. Reverse lights are new. We'll give it another shot one more time before we turn it off. There you have it. This is a striking car in grabber blue, 4-speed, big block, convertible, some nice unique features. This is one of them cars everyone here has said how much they like it, from the guys in the shop to the girls in the office. I've heard from everyone, this is a nice car. And that's, like I said, even the guys in the shop, the guys that are spending time, they're underneath them, all said it's a really nice car. So go to volocars.com. The good ones like this have been flying off the shelf here. We have a few hundred cars for sale, and feel free to contact us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're so proud of the cars that we're putting on there. Really some neat stuff. So any questions, let us know.